Part 2 is here now. I see lights. I'm gonna go over there. What is this place? I'll go inside. It's someone. I'm going to do something to him. Ha ha ha. Oh wait, I remember. I forgot my weapon. Do 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 do. After Huggy gets his weapon. Alright, time to go back into my sleeping place. I got my weapon, time to go to sleep. Ooh, that was a close one. Time to go. Wait, I just heard footsteps. Time to get my weapon. Time to get it. Oh my gosh, it's a bear! Yes, I'm here to attack you. What? He has a gun! That's right. Ready, set,